Hello friends, good evening. My name is Vaishnavi. Today's story is The Golden Bird. So in a kingdom there used to be a magical tree. So for that tree there used to means there will be some golden apples to the tree. So there will be a particular count for it daily. So daily it will give a particular count of apples. So if it decreases or increases, it will be trouble to the gardener. So one of the day the gardener counted all the, so daily gardener used to count the apples. So few days all was well. So few days later, one day he counted, but one of the apple was missing. So he said that to the the gardener said that to the king, and the king was so angry. So the king said, keep any waiter, they should be searching for that who are taking those apples. So the gardener kept his first son as a he will watch what is happening at the night. But after sitting under the tree, he got asleep and he slept. So he kept his second child. So he also waited for a lot of time and he slept. So meanwhile, while they are sleeping, the apples were taken away. So he sent his last son. So he was very brave. So he sent him. So he was walking, he didn't sit anywhere. So he was walking around the tree. He was walking. So while he was watching the surroundings, he heard a sound. So he heard a sound and he saw back. So there was a golden bird taking the apple. So he saw that and he has hit a arrow on it, but the arrow didn't affect, or it did not hurt the bird. So it has left a feather, while flying it has hit a feather. That arrow has hit a feather. So the feather was fallen down. So he took the feather to the king and he said that a golden bird was taking apples from our tree. So the king said, I don't want any feathers or anything else. I need a bird. I need a whole bird. So I should see it. So this gardener will send his first son again to the forest, means to bring that bird he'll send. So he'll go. So what happens means there will be a fox in a forest. So the fox saw that the fox saw that man, and the fox said that if you go straight, there will be a rich house and some poor house. So in rich house all will be good and it looks good, but this poor house doesn't look good, it will be too bad. So this man heard to the fox and he went. So he was going and the rich house was looking very good, it was very nice. So he thought that if we go into this poor house, they'll think somewhat bad about me. So he'll go into the rich house and he will enjoy there. So he has forgotten about the bird and even about their kingdom. So they have forgotten him. Finally, the members of the kingdom also has forgotten him. So the gardener will send second child. So the same thing happens here also. So the fox will say the same story and he will also go to the rich house. So now the third child will go to the forest. Now the third child will go to the forest, and he'll also listen the same story. So the fox said, if you listen to me, you can catch the bird. So he will listen to him, and the fox will take him to that place. So he sleep means he should stay for a means he should sleep there for a night. So if he sleeps there, he will sleep there for one whole night, and he will wake up. And next morning the fox will say that if he goes straight, there will be another kingdom. So in that kingdom, at morning, the soldiers who are there in that kingdom will all sleep. So inside that, we can find that golden bird. So he'll say that the golden bird will be in a copper it will be in a copper shelter, and beside of that one golden shelter will be. So he'll say that do not open that bird will be in the copper shelter. So the fox will say that do not open the copper shelter. So he'll open that to bring out this man will go inside, and he'll open the copper shelter. So the bird sings a song. So because of that, the soldiers who are sleeping around him will awake. So the soldiers will take him to the king, and the king will punish him. So he should die. So he pleased the king, and he said that the king said that if you give me a golden horse, then I'll give you both the golden horse and the he'll say that I'll take the golden horse and I'll give you the golden bird to you. So he'll say okay, and he was thinking, where should I bring it from? So the fox will come again to him. So it will say that if we go straight, we'll find another place. In that place, we can find the golden horse. So he'll also say that there will be 2 seats, for sitting on the horse we'll have some seats, right? So there will be 2 seats there. One is a leather one, and another one is gold one. So the fox will say, do not touch the golden one, and should only place the leather one on the horse. So it will, but wantedly he'll touch the golden seat. So by seeing that, the horse will shout. So while the horse shouted, the people around the horse will come there, and the soldiers will take him to the king again. So the king will say, if you bring me a princess to me, so I'll give you both golden bird and golden horse. So he will he'll be thinking, and the fox will come, and it will help. So finally he'll find the princess. So later the princess also will the princess will take him to his father and mother. So they'll not accept. So they'll give him one work. So from the prince's father's window, he'll see a mountain there. So he'll say that if you clear that mountain by tomorrow morning, I'll send you the princess with you. So he'll be digging after, not in one day. If how much time you'll take, later I'll send you, he'll say. So 1 week completed, he didn't dig even the half of the mountain also. So later he was very tired, and he sat at one place. So this fox will come, and it will say that I'll help you, you go to sleep. By next day morning, the mountain will be disappeared. So the father will send the princess with him, and he will the fox will say one plan to him, like if we can get three princess, horse and bird. So this man will say, okay, what is the plan? So when he when he should give the princess to the princess to the king, he'll say that once show me the horse. So after seeing the horse, he will immediately take the queen and horse with him. Means like he will immediately take the princess and the horse. So he ran away from there, and next he'll go near the bird. So after taking the bird, he will be returning. So finally he reached his village but didn't go into the kingdom. So he reached the village where the rich house and the poor house were there. So later the fox will say that if means like don't, if you means I helped you, no, so can you please kill me? The fox will ask like that. So he'll say that you are my friend, I won't. So the fox will say okay, and it will say that do not sit near the sides of the rivers. He'll say okay, and he'll be moving. So while he was going, he'll find two members are means getting killed. So he'll go closer and he'll see that who are they are his two brothers were getting killed due means they became robbers. So after going there, they became robbers. So they'll kill him. They're means they are killing them. So his third brother will take some money and he'll give them and let them to leave. So these three brothers, princess and the horse, bird, all are returning back to the kingdom. So these two brothers will ask him that shall we sit near the river and we'll speak, side of the river, and we'll speak. So means he has forgotten what the fox said to him to not sit at the sides of the river. So he has forgotten and he went and sat there, and from back his brothers came and pushed him. So he was about to die, and these all went to the kingdom, and they said to the king that we only bought all these with our labor we all bought these. So the king appreciated him, and after next day morning, he will be means the third brother will be saved, and he'll come to the kingdom, and he'll say all the things to the king, and these two brothers will be punished. So after the king died, this third brother and the princess will be the king and the queen of that kingdom. So they'll be the king and queen, and later they will, after few days, they were walking in a forest. So they found one old fox which helped him in the past. So he remembered, and the fox asked him to kill him. So the king felt very bad, means he felt very sad, and he has killed him. So after killing him, he changed into a man. So he was the brother of the queen who has been missing in the past. Means when he was in the childhood, he was missed, and he became like a fox. So after so many years, he became into a man, and he met his sister. So this is today's story. Thank you.